I chose ASU because it's known for its innovation, and I think that aligns with my mindset, where I try to be and improve every aspect in my life. And ASU has that mindset of creating a better environment and improving the campus for students.
ASU is a first in innovation, which is something would give me an edge in the future in the job market. And as a mechanical engineering, this is something that I dream of.
One of the best business schools in the United States and a reputation in innovation. It's also a great place for international students with a welcoming and a diverse community, and will make you always feel at home.
I really like the community here at ASU because you meet a lot of international students, which is something that would enhance your personality and would make you a better person in the future.
I've enjoyed meeting students from different cultures, joining student clubs and working on hands-on projects. And I think ASU really helps you to grow outside and inside the classroom.
ASU has so many resources help you succeed, whether it's academic support, career guidance, or even personal developments. Whatever goal you have in mind, ASU will always push you to do your best, connect you with the right people, and make your journey more exciting.
I love how active life is here. The weather makes it really perfect for outdoor activities and hikings.
The weather here is very nice. It's very similar to back home, which is also something amazing.
I think ASU has a perfect mix of all cultures and all people that come together and enriches your perspective about things. We all come together at the end of the day with one purpose, which is learning and improving ourselves. It has been like that since the first day. I feel like this experience is gonna live with me throughout my life.